Some of the world's best adventures aren't found in guidebooks. They're whispered about, tucked away, waiting to be discovered. Our search led us to the heart of the Philippines, to an island called Negros, at the foot of a slumbering volcano. We were looking for a place called Mambukal.
Nahirap ko sa battery. Guba ko. Yeah? The bridge is broken because of this one.
The tree fall?
Mambukal is famous for two things blessed by Mount Canlaon, the active volcano that towers over it, its hot springs, and its 7 stunning waterfalls.
We take a detour.